Hey guys, and welcome back to Reagan's Reading Corner. Happy Tuesday! Today I'll be reading Wag by Patrick McDonald. Let's get into the video. Hey guys, today I'll be reading Wag. Look! There's Earl. Shh, let's not wake him. Oops, he's up. Wow, look at his tail go. Flip, flip, flip. What makes Earl's tail wag? I know. Well, Mooch, what is it? I forget. Earl's tail wags when he's eating. Flip, flip, flip. Or playing ball. Flip, flip, flip. Or just sitting in a field of flowers. Flip, flip, flip. But what makes Earl's tail wag? Mooch? Yes? Now, where did he go? Earl's tail wags for belly rubs, chewy toys, snacky snacks, and snowflakes. But what makes Earl's tail wag? Ooh, ooh, ooh! All right, Jules, you tell us. I don't know. Mooch? It's a secret. Earl's tail wags for friends he knows. Flip, flip, flip. And friends he'd like to know. Flip, flip, flip. It wags for his Aussie. Flip, flip, flip. Sometimes it seems to wag for nothing at all. But what makes Earl's tail wag? I know. Okay, Mooch, please tell us. I know. It's, love. And of course, Mooch is right. Love is the answer. Flip, flip, flip. Flip, flip, flip. So this was a book about a dog, his tail, and me. I hope you guys enjoyed Wag by Patrick McDonald, and I'll see you guys next time on Reagan's Reading Corner. Bye. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe down below.